Welcome to today's video, where we'll discuss an important topic: heart health. Our hearts are vital organs that pump blood throughout our bodies, supplying oxygen and nutrients to every cell. In order to maintain and improve our cardiovascular health, it's crucial to understand how to take care of our hearts. First and foremost, a healthy diet is essential for a healthy heart, including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in our meals provides the necessary nutrients for optimal heart function. It's also important to limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and high-fat meals, as these can contribute to cardiovascular problems like high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Regular physical activity is another key factor in maintaining heart health. Engaging in exercises such as walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling helps strengthen our hearts and improves blood circulation. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity every week. Remember, even small increments of physical activity throughout the day can make a difference. In addition to a healthy diet and regular exercise, managing stress plays a significant role in heart health. Chronic stress can increase the risk of heart disease, so finding healthy ways to cope is crucial. Engaging in relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga can help reduce stress levels. It's also essential to prioritize self-care, getting enough sleep, and seeking support from loved ones when needed. Another crucial aspect of heart health is avoiding harmful habits, such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Smoking damages blood vessels and increases the risk of blood clots, heart attacks, and strokes. If you're a smoker, quitting is the best thing you can do for your heart and overall health. Similarly, excessive alcohol intake can lead to high blood pressure and weaken the heart muscles, so it's important to drink in moderation or avoid alcohol altogether. Regular checkups with healthcare professionals are also essential for monitoring heart health. They can assess your risk factors for heart disease, such as family history, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure, and provide guidance on preventive measures or necessary treatments. Remember, early detection and intervention are key in maintaining a healthy heart. In conclusion, heart health is something we should all prioritize. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular physical activity, stress management, and avoiding harmful habits, we can protect our hearts and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Don't wait until it's too late. Start taking care of your heart today. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay heart healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.